Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are from Group 4. We are proud to introduce Physiomax, an innovative platform designed as a one-stop center apps for physical rehabilitation and digital health. Instead of requiring patients to manage multiple separate platforms for consultation, home care booking, exercise tracking, and equipment purchase, Physiomax concentrates all core recovery service into a single ecosystem. Physiomax is an all-in-one digital health platform designed to transform physiotherapy access across Malaysia, functioning similarly to e-healing platforms like Grab or Foodpanda. Physiomax serves as an on-demand gig economy platform specifically built for physiotherapists. To address this challenge, Physiomax is driven by targeted sustainable objectives. First is promote eco-friendly care, cutting carbon footprint, low impact remote monitoring, and empowering freelance and local physiotherapists. Let's look our business model canvas, or also known as BMC. The BMC is strategic management tools that provide a holistic visual blueprint of how Physiomax application creates, delivers, and capture value. The first component of BMC is customer segment. Physiomax addresses both B2B and B2B markets. On the patient side, we cater to individuals with musculoskeletal condition, post-surgery and post-injury patient, chronic pain sufferer, elderly individuals, athlete, and working adult dealing with office syndrome. On the international side, we integrate with hospital, clinic, physiotherapy center, and corporate wellness program. Next, the value proposition. Our core value lies in delivering personalized, tech-driven rehabilitation directly to the user. We offer customized assessment, real-time progress tracking, teleconsultation, and video guide exercise equipped with AI posture feedback to ensure safe home education. Above all, Physiomax offer an anytime, anywhere service driven by a green paperless model that significantly lower environmental impact. Next is channels. To deliver this value seamlessly, we utilize direct digital channels, including our iOS and Android mobile apps, official website, digital marketing campaign, and social media. Alongside our digital footprint, we drive physical outreach through strategic partnership with healthcare center, corporate wellness program, and community health initiative.
Moving to customer relationships, our entire focus is solving the biggest challenge in rehabilitation, patient non-compliance. We maintain strong user engagement through two pillars. The first one is human connections. We will provide direct in-app chat with certified physiotherapists, offering personalized empathy reassurance whether the patients experience flare-ups or form doubts. For the second one is the smart automation. We will use automated daily routine reminders, gamified wellness challenge, and milestone loyalty rewards to turn repetitive exercise into lasting, healthy habits, while post-session feedback loops let us continually refine each patient's care plan. Next, our revenue streams establish a resilient, multi-tiered monetization strategy. The first one is business-to-consumer revenue. We offer flexible monthly and annual subscription tiers, in-app purchases for specialized recovery modules, and per-session teleconsultation booking fees. The second one is business-to-business and enterprise contracts. We will license customized corporate wellness packages to reduce workplace ergonomics claims alongside the software as a service integration contracts with outpatient clinics and hospitals. The last one is sponsorship. We will generate the additional cash flow through vetted high relevance health brand partnerships and sponsored wellness educational material. To deliver this service reliably, Physiomax relies on three core assets categories under key resources. The first one is proprietary technology. Our mobile application, real-time AI posture analysis engine, and secure encrypted cloud data infrastructure. The second one is clinical and human talent. a dedicated multidisciplinary team combining certified physiotherapists, computer vision engineers, and healthcare growth leads. The third one is intellectual and financial capital. Our clinical validated video library, proprietary motion tracking IP, and growth funding to scale platform operations. For the seventh component, which is the key activities, which resolve around clinical quality and technology precision. In this, the tech engineering will continuously maintaining the app, optimizing the low latency video streaming, and training our AI models on diverse body mechanics. Clinical operation, filming the evidence-based exercise routine, conducting virtual assessments, and hosting the live teleconsultation. For the last key activities is the growth and support, running targeted user acquisition campaigns, onboarding corporate partners, and delivering responsive customer support. To expand our reach and clinical authority, we rely on strategic key partnerships, which is the first one is healthcare and research, collaborating with hospitals, physiotherapy clinics, and research universities to validate our AI accuracy and secure patient referral pipelines. The second one is tech infrastructure, partnering with the enterprise, cloud hosts, AI specialists, and compliant payment gateways for seamless, secure transaction. The last one is payers and institution. We will working directly with the insurance TPAs, corporate wellness clients, and government health bodies to aim Physiomax into preventive care coverage. Finally, our cost structure is optimized for scalable digital growth. The first one is R&D and tech infrastructure, which is the server hosting, cloud database management, and ongoing software and AI model engineering. For the second one is human capital, such as the payrolls, retainers, and professional training for our clinical and development teams. The last one is operation and governance. It is targeted performance marketing, routine data compliance audits, medical licensing, and general administrative overhead.
Let us begin with the reality on the ground. According to a study published by Esha Daguspa et al. 2021, musculoskeletal disorder ranked 5th among all causes of disability in Malaysia, and back and knee pain are amongst the most common reason Malaysians visit primary care. Globally, the Global Burdens of Disease Study 2021 record 1.686 billion cases and a 95% increase since 1990. Yet, the bigger problem is not the condition itself, it is access. Research on rural healthcare in Malaysia by Nur Iliani Mohamed Nazar et al. 2025 show the patient face long travel distance, financial pressure from missed work, and facilities that are simply too far to reach. In some communities, treatment non-adherence reach up to 80%, not by choice, but by circumstances. Patients who attempt home rehabilitation without guidance also risk performing exercise incorrectly, which can delay or worsen their recovery. So, Physiomax was built to solve all of this in one platform. Physiomax aligned with 5 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. First, SDG 3, good health. Through in-app booking, guided exercise, and Physio AI, patients receive professional levels rehabilitation from home. We are not replacing the physiotherapy, we are extending their reach. SDG 4, quality education. Our exercise prescription videos, nutrition guidance, and disease information modules empower patients with the knowledge they need to recover correctly and independently. SDG 9, innovation. Physiomax is a homegrown solution integrating appointment booking, AI consultation, exercise guidance, nutrition tracking, and e-commerce more into one cohesive ecosystem. That level of integration is rare, even by global standards. Fourth, SDG 11, sustainable communities. We specifically serve for underserved group, rural communities without nearby clinics, postpartum mothers, elderly individuals with mobility limitations, and working adults with no time for long hospital queues. Lastly, SDG 13, Climate Action. A 2025 study across 50,000 remote consultations confirmed that telemedicine directly reduced carbon emission from patient travels. Telemedicine visit in 2020 alone avoid an estimate 1.44 million tons of carbon dioxide annually. By going digital, Physiomax is not just good for patients, it is good for the planet. Lastly, for the competitor comparison, we have benchmarked Physiomax against three key competitors. Hinge Health, the leading US platform, relies entirely on employer insurance coverage and is unavailable in Malaysia. Kaya Health, recently acquired for 285 million US dollar, offer app-based coach but lack local therapist booking, nutrition features, and any e-commerce function. PhysioMobile, our closest local competitor, provide in-home physiotherapy visits but has no AI consultation, no exercise library, and no integrated marketplace. Physiomax is the only platform in this comparison that combine all of these capabilities in one application. Tailored by Malaysia, priced for Malaysian, and designed to address 5 SDGs simultaneously. We are not simply offering a better app, we are offering a more complete and sustainable solution.
Managing pain today is fragmented. Patients juggle multiple platforms for consultation, struggle with long clinical commutes, and often lose momentum with their home exercise plan. At the same time, qualified physiotherapists lack an efficient, flexible way to manage independent practice and home care booking. Meet Physiomax, the all-in-one digital health ecosystem transforming physiotherapy access across Malaysia. Think of Physiomax as an e-hailing platform built specifically for physiotherapy. For patients, search nearby certified therapists, check their clinical credentials, and book on-demand home visit or clinic session with a single tap, eliminating travel costs and long waiting time. For freelance and local practitioners, set custom working hours, accept patient appointment, and go a streamlined mobile practice directly from the apps. Physiomax is much more than a booking system. It is a full-scale tele-rehabilitation hub feature came with a physio AI, real-time movement and posture analysis to guide patients through proper exercise form at home. Specialized exercise draft. Some clinical programs cover musculoskeletal, cardio, peace, antenatal and sport. Integrate health suite and physio mall, in-app BMI calculator, tailor nutrition guide and e-commerce marketplace for essential rehabilitation gear and equipment.
Moving to the next parts, let's look at the main risk, starting costs and money project for the Physiomax. To make sure the apps work well in real life, we have simple solution for the three big challenge. First, all the patients may find phone hard to use, so we create a caregiver portal so family members can easily book appointment for them. Second, to keep patients safe, every therapist must show real university degrees, certificate, and government registration before joining. The third, all patient details are kept complete safe using secure online storage. Next, looking at the cost, starting for the Physiomax needs a small budget of the 10,500 ringgit. Discover apps building for the 5,000 ringgit, design work for 1,500. Next is server setup for 1,000, ads for the 2,000, and system care for the 1,000. To make money, we offer 3 monthly plan basic for 10 ringgit, standard with AI feature for 20 ringgit, and premium for 30 ringgit. If we just get 150 users, meaning 15 people on each plan, we will make 3,000 ringgit every month, or RM 36,000 in a year. Since we make 36,000 ringgit in a year and only spend 10,005 ringgit to start, the app will pay itself in less than 4 months. So that's for our apps. That's all for me. Thank you.